Escort radar detectors are effective tools that help drivers avoid speed traps by detecting police radar signals. They use sensitive receivers to scan for K-band, and laser signals, then process this data through onboard microprocessors to provide audio and visual alerts. However, this constant scanning and processing generates significant heat from the internal processor, particularly during high-performance modes or in compact device designs with limited heat dissipation. Overheating is worsened in hot environments, such as direct sunlight or temperatures above 90 degrees Fahrenheit, and during prolonged use, as the device struggles to maintain thermal equilibrium between heat production and dissipation. If not managed properly, this heat buildup can cause temporary system failures where the device shuts down to protect itself, or even permanent damage to components like the GPS module, exceeding safe operating temperatures of 140 to 180 degrees Fahrenheit. In this section, we'll explore why this overheating occurs and what preventative measures and solutions you can take to keep your Escort radar detector running safely. Escort has addressed overheating issues in their radar detectors through firmware updates. For instance, firmware version 2.5 for the Max 360 model optimizes the processor load during extended use, reducing heat buildup by up to 20% according to user benchmarks. These updates often include improvements to thermal management algorithms that help maintain safe operating temperatures. To ensure your device has the latest firmware, visit the Escort website or use their mobile app. Regular firmware updates are essential for optimal performance and preventing overheating problems in your Escort radar detector. Escort has introduced hardware refinements in newer models to address overheating. The 2026 Escort Passport 12 features graphene-based heat sinks that provide superior thermal management. For older models, cooling accessories can improve airflow and dissipate heat. Vented mounts and external fans help maintain lower operating temperatures. As part of a class action settlement, Escort provided free cooling accessories to users who purchased affected models between 2023 and 2025. Many users have successfully implemented do-it-yourself fixes to address overheating in their Escort radar detectors. These community-developed solutions focus on improving heat dissipation and ventilation. One popular DIY solution is adding custom aluminum heat sinks. These attach to the detector's case and increase the surface area available for heat dissipation, effectively pulling thermal energy away from the internal processor. Improving ventilation is another effective approach. This includes regular cleaning of dust from vents, using mounts that allow better air circulation, and positioning the detector in locations with natural airflow. A real-world example from Arizona demonstrates the effectiveness. During a 100-mile highway drive in 105 degrees Fahrenheit heat, a Max 360 detector reached 175 degrees. But after applying a custom heat sink and better ventilation, the peak temperature was reduced by 30 degrees Fahrenheit, or 17 degrees Celsius. Escort validated this approach in their 2025 white paper. These solutions are widely shared in online communities. Forums such as radardetectorforum.com and Reddit's r/radardetectors document over 1,000 successful hacks, offering valuable education on thermal engineering principles for safe device use. To prevent overheating, use Escort's app to monitor your detector's temperature if available for your model. Avoid prolonged exposure to direct sunlight, which can significantly increase internal temperatures. Ensure the device is mounted in a well-ventilated area to allow proper air circulation. Consider temporarily disabling intensive scanning modes if overheating occurs frequently. If possible, reduce how often the device is active and its power consumption to minimize heat generation. Looking ahead, radar detector cooling is evolving with AI-driven systems that adapt scanning intensity based on ambient temperature sensors. These intelligent systems prevent overheating by adjusting performance in real time. AI systems will use built-in sensors to monitor ambient conditions and automatically reduce scanning power when temperatures rise, maintaining optimal performance without overheating. Future models will incorporate sustainable materials like recycled metals and biodegradable composites for better heat dissipation while reducing environmental impact. Modular designs will allow users to easily upgrade cooling components, such as adding external fans or improved heat sinks for enhanced thermal performance. By 2030, quantum dot processors may become standard, producing significantly less heat during operation while maintaining high scanning performance. Professional installation by certified dealers can significantly reduce overheating risks by ensuring proper mounting and ventilation. Regular maintenance, including cleaning vents and checking for loose connections, is also crucial for optimal performance and longevity. Proper ventilation and cooling systems help maintain thermal balance in the device. By proactively managing temperature, you can improve your device's lifespan by as much as 35%.